Making money online with a free website is something that you'll see in today's video. This is available for everyone in the world who wants to earn free PayPal money. You just need to stay until the end of this video so you can get every step right. As always, before I start with this tutorial, I want to remind all of you to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get updated whenever we upload the brand new strategy just like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. Without any further ado, let's start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. The very first step that you need to do is to come over to Google, and you can search for something that you think that is going to help people. You need to search for something that you think is popular. And I've searched for weight loss guide. You can even search, for example, for Instagram growth guide. It depends on you, something that you think that is going to benefit people. And as you can see over here, it's going to give you a lot of articles. You just need to get one that you think you like the most, and after that you need to go over to Google Docs. Here you need to create a weight loss guide just like I did here. You have to include some tips and so on, and once you do so, you're just going to leave it like this for the moment because we are going back to it later on. So you just need to create something similar to this with some tips on it, and then you need to give it a title like this, and then you need to leave it for the moment because we are going to add something later on. So after you created your docs document, all you need to do is to proceed to the other platform for today, which is the platform that is also going to pay us today, and that platform is called Digistore24. This is over at digistore24.com. Digistore24 is an affiliate marketplace where people come to find different online offers that they can promote to other people. As you can see, this is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store, an affiliate network, all common payment methods, as you can see. So all you need to do first of all is, of course, to create an account for absolutely free by clicking on the register now button up here. Then you need to select here to sign up as an affiliate. You're going to put the username, you're going to put your email address, a password, your title, your name here. The one that don't have the symbol up here are not required, so you can leave them empty. You need to put your first name, last name. You can leave the company section empty. Of course, you have the address, the country. As you can see over here, this is available all around the world, just like I promised you at the beginning of this video. It is required to put your phone number and then to agree to the privacy policy. Then you need to click on register for free now so you can create your account for absolutely free. Once you do so, all you need to do is to just go over to Marketplace up here, and then it's going to take you over to this page. We're going to see all of the products that they offer that you can get and promote online. You have here a lot of categories, actually, from animals and pets to family and kids, fitness and health, which is going to be our main focus today. You have social media, sports, survival, services, and so on and so forth. So what I highly recommend you do is search for the product name here in the search bar, and you can search weight loss, since this is the main topic for us today that we are going to focus on. So you have a lot of products over here. You can change the currency. As you can see here, I'm going to put it on US dollars. And then all you need to do is to get an affiliate link or promo link for the product that you want to promote. You're going to see how much commission you can make from the sale of that product. It needs to be like more than 30%. And then once you find one that pays well, it has high commission, and also that it's not very expensive, so you can be sure that people are going to buy it, you just need to get your affiliate link down here. So you just need to copy it, and then I highly recommend you go over to bitly.com. Bitly is a platform where you can shorten links so they can look more professional, and I highly recommend you do this because your link will look more professional, and of course it will not be obvious that you are promoting something. So as you can see, you have the name of the website here and also your username. With Bitly, you're going to see that it's going to look like this, and you'll be more easier to get more sales to your link and therefore make more money. So once you copy your link, your shortened link, you need to go over to your guide over here, and inside it you can write something like best way to lose weight, and then all you need to do is to paste your link over there. So like this, people are going to read your article, they are going to see the link inside it, they can click on it, they can go over to the product here at Digistore24 and they are going to purchase it, and therefore you can make money again and again. So it's time for me to show you the traffic source that you can use in order to target people that are going to be interested in clicking on your link and making you money. So what you can do is to go over to SlideShare, and this is over at slideshare.net. Here people come to share different articles, PDF documents, presentations, infographics, and so on related to any topic. Going to see here that this person has more than 2 million of views in his article. This one here has more than 1 million of views, this one more than 11 millions of views, and so on. So it has a lot of potential to become very popular on here because it is being visited by millions of people. So if you go over to similarweb.com, you're going to see that slideshare.net is being visited by more than 100 millions of people on a monthly basis, and sometimes even more. So it has a lot of potential to get a lot of views to your article, so you can just share the article or the PDF, the guide that we created before. What you need to do is to go over to the file section here and then over to download, and you need to download it as a PDF document. Once you do so, once you have it on your computer, you need to create an account for absolutely free on SlideShare by clicking on the sign up button up here. Then you need to click on the upload button, you need to select the files that you want to upload, and it's going to be the PDF document that we created before from Google Docs, which includes that a weight loss guide and our affiliate link that we are going to promote that product from Digistore24. Then you're going to publish it. You can even put some text so you can target people that want to read an article related to weight loss that is going to help them. What you can do next, of course, is to just post it and then enjoy your profits, because the thing is that people can see your article even after some times and years. As you can see, this article here is being posted like 2 years ago, this one here from 6 years ago, and so on. So your article will be here forever and people can see it even after some times, and you can make money in passive income. All you need to do is to just create a PDF document related to something that you think is very popular and it's going to help people. And after you do that, you're going to just go over to Digistore24, you're going to create an account, and then you need to find the product related to the guide that you want to write. After you do that, of course, you need to get the affiliate link for that product, and it's located down here. You're going to copy it. I highly recommend you use Bitly to shorten it so it may look more professional and you can get more clicks on your link, because it's not going to be obvious that you are promoting something. Then you need to include that affiliate link on your guide here, on your PDF document inside it, and then you need to save it as a PDF document here in Google Docs. Once you do so, you're going to go over to slideshare.net. You're going to upload it for absolutely free once you create your account, and it's going to be visible to millions of people. They can read it, they can click on your link, and they can make you money in passive income again and again. This is it for today's video. I really hope you liked this strategy, and if you did, make sure to support us by giving this video a thumbs up and also comment down below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.